In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Drawdown. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your drawdown report in Tradervue and how to read it so you can better understand your risk, your equity declines, and how long recoveries have taken in your trading. First, log into Tradervue. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're in the account where your trades are being recorded. If you work across multiple accounts or data sources, verify that you're in the right workspace so the numbers reflect the trading you actually want to analyze. Once you're signed in, give Tradervue a moment to load your most recent activity. Everything you see in reports is based on the trades already imported and any filters you've previously set. Next, click Reports in the left sidebar. This opens the reporting suite, which aggregates your trading results into clear, visual summaries. Remember that all of the charts here, including drawdown, will respect your current date range and any tags or symbols you've been using. That context matters because a drawdown calculated on a narrow window can look very different from the same metric over your full history. Now click the Drawdown tab. This is where Tradervue displays the peak-to-trough declines in your equity over time. In simple terms, a drawdown measures how far your equity fell from its most recent high before it recovered. The chart will show how deep those declines were and when they occurred. You'll typically see your maximum drawdown highlighted, which represents the worst drop within the selected period. Pay attention not just to the depth of the largest drop, but also to the duration, how long it took to climb back to a new high. Longer recoveries can be just as impactful as deep pullbacks because they tie up capital and test discipline. As you review the line on the chart, look for clusters of declines. A series of back-to-back drops can indicate a regime change in the market or a period when your strategy struggled. Consistency in shallower dips suggests your risk controls are doing their job. Also note whether declines are measured in percentage or currency terms. Percentages help compare across account sizes, while absolute values help you gauge real dollar risk. Use this page to calibrate expectations. If your historical maximum drawdown is larger than you're comfortable with, that's a signal to revisit risk per trade, stop placement, or how you handle losing streaks. If recoveries take longer than expected, you may want to preserve capital more aggressively after equity peaks. That's it. Log into Tradervue, click Reports, then click Drawdown. Review the depth and length of your declines and let those insights guide smarter, steadier trading decisions.